Oh, the sun is sinking low here. See, this is tax day, April 15th, 2010. And we're on the Lion here. As you can see, things are very shipshape, aren't they, Roman? So yeah, the old sun is sinking low, and it's about time to go. But I have a little picking up to do. However, let me show you something cool here. See that pipe coming up right down in there. There's the electric motor right there. Here's the toolbox. And here's what I just put in here. Look at that little sucker. Isn't that fine? Ooh, and here's what it does. Okay, let me get down here. Okay, are you checking this out here? I hope it works after all this. Whoa. Look at that. And open up the drain down here. Theoretically, the sink should drain. It does have a small clam in it or something, but nevertheless, it's working. Oh, it's a happy day. Isn't that fine, huh? Let's look at that. Oh, I can't believe it. The small things can make a man happy. Good to be simple-minded. Well, time to clean up. April 15th, 2010.